Hey everybody, we're doing 3,168 divided by 7. Let's go ahead and get started. How many times can we fit 7 into 3? Well, you can't, so we're going to take this whole number, 31, and we're saying 31 divided by 7, or how many times can 7 fit into 31? If you haven't done it already, I highly recommend that you write out your 7 multiples because that will be very helpful for you to have for later because when you're dividing, you're saying how many times can I multiply this number to get into this number. So 7, you can multiply it this many times before you go too far. This is as close as we can get to 31. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That means you can do 7 times 4 to get close to 31, but not all the way there. That's what the rest of the steps are for, is to see what was left over. So now you multiply that 4 back out, 4 times 7, and we get 28. That shows us we didn't quite fit into 31, but we got pretty close. But you do have to figure out what's left over. That's why we multiply and then we subtract. So you're going to do 31 minus 28, which is 3. All right, so that 3 is not enough to work with right now. You can't fit your 7 into it, and that's why we bring down the next digit so you have a bigger number to work with. Okay, so now we are ready to start it all over again. So we're going to divide again. This time we're doing 36 divided by 7. So look over at those multiples of 7. How many times can you multiply 7 to get close to 36 without going over? In this case, you can do it 5 times. And we didn't get all the way to 36, but we're going to multiply it back out to see how close we got. So now you do 5 times 7, which is 35. The next step is to subtract. Oops, sorry about that. You're going to subtract. So 36 minus 35, which is 1. And again, that's not a lot to work with. It is left over, so we still need to use it. But you cannot do 1 divided by 7, so you need to bring down the next digit, which is the 8, and it is the only digit left. So we have used up almost everything. We really only have 18 left to work with. That's all we have left to do. So we're going to divide again. How many 7s can fit into 18 without going over? This time it's 2. So 7 can go into 18 2 times, but we know we didn't quite hit 18, right? Because there's no 18 there. So that's why you multiply to figure out what's left over. So we're going to do 2 times 7, which is 14. And then we subtract to find out what's left, which is 4. That's our remainder. So 3,168 divided by 7 is 452. Remainder